Thanks for dropping by the overly diversified dividend portfolio. Ticker symbol number 5. Today's pick, ticker symbol AQN.TO, trading at $19.44. Dividend info 0.85 cents annualized payout per share. Payout of 17 cents quarterly per share. Company info, story from the company. I'll let you read the brochure. Today, 1 million connected customers, 40 utilities, 13 states, 1 province, $60 billion in assets. Dividend info, dividend payment start date 2003, payment history unstable, dividend info 0.85 cents annualized payout per share, payout of 17 cents quarterly per share. Quick math section, if you invested $10,000 at $19.44, you would have 514 shares times 0.17 cents. You would end up with $87.38 quarterly payout. Share price started trading May 2003 at $9.98, currently trading at $19.44. Quick math, if you bought in 2003, invested $10,000 at $9.98, you'd have 1,002 shares. Today's value, if you held not including dividends, you have 19,478. What is there to like? Share price of $19.44 with a 17-cent dividend payment, which is paid quarterly. Company has been paying a dividend since 2003. Company has been paying out a dividend of between 57 and 94% of earnings. Company has been trading since 2003. Company has been around since 1988. Reference investor presentation at company website. Word on the street, fair value estimate plus $35 price range, trading 47% below estimate. Earnings grew by 33% over the past year. Conclusion, information shared here was sourced from the financial documents below the company's website. Dividend data was sourced from dividendhistory.org. Share price information was sourced from Yahoo Finance. This concludes today's presentation. Make sure this stock is right for your portfolio.